How to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a landscape or horizontal videos on Instagram Reels without them getting cropped or zoomed. So let's get started. First things first, open your Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon. Now here what you need to do is select the horizontal video that you want to upload. Now click on next. Now when you try to upload any video, it will be directly posted as a reel. Now if you want to edit your video, simply tap on your video and click on edit. You can simply edit your video over here. Once you're happy with your editing, what you can do is simply tap on the arrow icon at the top, simply tap on it and simply click on next. Here you can simply add a caption to your video. Simply write whatever you want. Just explain your video. Once you've done that, simply click on post or share. And that's it. That's how you can simply upload a landscape video to Reels without losing quality or cropping your content.